Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at this 2013 Jeep Compass Sport Edition. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger, 4x4 SUV in this classic silver color. Under the hood you'll find a 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch aluminum wheels. Now some of your features do include your front fog lamps. You also have your heated power folding mirrors, and you have your roof side rails just in case you'd like to add a little more cargo space. But there's a ton happening on the inside, so why don't we hop on in and take a look around. Helping you into your Jeep is this handy dandy key with fob. So on your fob you have your unlock, your lock, and your panic button. You also have a second set of keys there for a secondary driver or just a spare set. Now pushing the unlock button once unlocks the front doors, and pushing it twice unlocks all four. And we're going to open this up here. We'll take a look at the interior. So right away you can see it's nice and clean. Our detail department does a great job when these vehicles come in. Lots of room to get in and out of your vehicle. You do have a little bit of storage here on the driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. And then moving a bit further in, you have all of your floor mats and this really nice, clean, plush interior. So I'm just going to hop on in here and we'll take a look at some of the other technology features, and we'll here for you. There we go. So taking a look at the odometer, there's only 115,815 kilometers. So moving a little bit further back here on the steering wheel, you do have your reset button for your trip computer there, and then you have your cruise control here on the right. Now you do have your volume control, your Sirius satellite radio, your hands-free calling, and your voice command there in the middle, in the center console. You also have all of your presets. Sorry, I'm tripping over my words a little bit. And you have your audio input just there. So moving a little bit further down from there, you do have your air conditioning with your climate control for those hot summer days. And then moving a bit further down, you do have a 12-volt DC plug-in. Should there be another device that you'd like to charge, you have a little bit of storage right up here. And then you do have that option for your manual shift changing if that's how you prefer to drive. So really fun to drive your Jeep that way. And moving a little bit further back, you have a couple of cup holders. You have your 4-wheel drive lock just here. And then right in here is a little bit of storage for you. So that's going to be handy. And then you have a little bit more just under there. So nice and deep, lots of room in there for you. And then right here is a 115-volt AC plug-in in case you want to bring a toaster along on those road trips for you. And moving a little bit further in here, we have our glove compartment with all of the manuals that you're going to need. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your Jeep. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Taking a look at the back of your Jeep now, you do have a rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable Alberta weather. I'm just going to open this up here for you. We'll take a look at the cargo space. One great thing about the Jeep is the amount of cargo space that's in here, so tons and tons of room. Right under here is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks that you're going to need. You know, gosh forbid anything happen to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have that spare tire to get you back to safety. And I am just going to lay these seats down so you can see how much cargo space you have with those seats down flat. So there's the left seat down, and as you can see, you can still fit 2 people in the back comfortably while carrying something a little bit longer. And there you have it with that second seat down. So like I said, tons and tons of room. And when you are all finished loading up your gear, we'll close this back up here for you and give you a nice view of the back of your Jeep. Giving you a final view then of your 2013 Jeep Compass Sport Edition. You can see those back windows are a little tinted to give your passengers a bit of privacy, and there's lots happening that I didn't get a chance to go through, so come on in, take it for a test drive. Don't take my word for it, ask all of the questions. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thank you so much for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.